guys, welcome you back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing great. Okay, today's tutorial is going to be a quick one. The previous video I showed you how to make a kimono dress. Okay, so this one is just an inner wear. You can wear inside of it if you choose to, but I want to make this is a very simple one. This is a very simple DIY. Okay, let's just get to it. So here I have this plain satin fabric I'm going to use. The full length of that kimono dress was 54 inches, okay? But I'm not going to be using the exact length. I'll be cutting this 4 inches shorter than the main dress, okay? Because it's not supposed to be the same length with the dress, like inner wear, right? Yeah. So I'm just going to take note of that. From here all the way, I already have my 50 inches length. That's 4 inches away from the original length of the dress, right? Okay, so from here I'll mark the armhole line, which is usually 9 inches, but now I'm going to be using 8 because this is going to be a sleeveless, so I don't want the armhole to be really open. So I'm using 8 inches for that. Then I'm using 16 inches for the length. Okay, so I don't really need the hip measurements here because it's going to be a little bit free on the downside. So I'm just going to take it all the way from the waist to the floor length. Okay, so taking note of the waistline here, then I'll come down to this place. I'll take note of my 3 by 8 inches mark so that we can get our shoulder slope. 3 inches, 8 inches, here 1 inches. Okay, so I'll get my shoulder slope, connect it to these 3 inches. Okay, so I have my shoulder slope here, and the shoulder measurement is 14 divided by 2, that's 7. So I add half inch of allowance, 7.5. So I'll just take 7.5 like this, 7.5 this way, and I'll mark my straight line. So this gives me my armhole curve. Okay, then of course I'll take my neck width. The neck width I'm using is I'll use 4.5 inches or 4 inches. Let me do 4 inches. Then for the neck depth, I'll be using 3 inches is okay. Okay, because remember I'm cutting both the front and the back together. So I think I'll use the same neck width and depth for both. Okay, 4 inches, 3 inches this way. Okay, yeah. So the next thing here now is to impute the bust measurement, which is 34 divided by 4 that I have 8.5. I'm going to put 2 inches of allowance is okay. Then for the waist is 32 divided by 4. I have 60, that's 8. Here I'm putting 3 inches of it because it's meant to be free at least. Okay, then I'll connect this bust to waist. Then coming down to the floor length, I'll use the hip measurement this place, which is 40 divided by 4, that's 10. I have 10 here. Of course I really want it to be free, so I'll add as much as 3 to 5. So what do I have here? I have 5 here, which is good. So I'll just take it down from the waist all the way to the floor length. So from here, take it down. Can you see this? So coming down to this down line, you can actually leave it like this. I usually like to eliminate these rough edges. Okay, so I'll go up by 2 inches here. I'll go up by 2 inches here. Then from this center, I'll mark 4 inches, which represent the bust span. Then I'll just connect it like this and give this a curve, right? So if I'm cutting this way. Okay, that's it. This is the shoulder line. So from here, this is the shoulder. From here to here is the shoulder line, right? So from here, I'm going in by 1.5 inches. So here, 1.5 feet. So I'm just going to connect this here. So this is going to be the armhole I'm working with now. Okay, I hope you can see this. That's it. It's that simple. The only thing left now is just to cut this out. So I'll go ahead and cut this. Okay, this inner wear you can choose to wear it for even maybe like a boo wear that is transparent. You know those nets like transparent gown. You can actually use this for it. Okay, yeah. So that's it, guys. Like, we're done. So guys, as you can see, this is very simple. So the only thing left now is to hem the neckline, hem the armhole with a bias tape, or if you have, you can get 1 inch strip from this same fabric, use it as a bias. The neckline, the armhole, join the sides, say by 1 inch. The lower part of the dress, you also hem it, and this dress is ready. That is it, guys. I'll go over it again. Hem the neckline with a bias, also the armhole, join the shoulder by 1/2 inch. Okay, the side, join it by 1 inch. Then the lower part of the dress, you hem it also. Okay, using let's say 1 inch. Okay, that's enough, and this dress is ready. It's that simple. Okay, that brings us to the end of this tutorial. I would show you how it looks on the mannequin with the dress, the initial dress we made. That's the kimono dress. And here it is, guys. The inner dress is ready. Very easy, very simple. Okay, so I'm just going to wear the kimono on it so that you see how it looks. So you can see this, very beautiful. Like I said, you can have this for a boo dress or as an inside wear, especially all those net kind of dress or transparent dress. You can make this to wear it inside. You can even use it to make something, simple, just like that. Just wear it like that. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share my videos, and subscribe to my channel. Till I see you on the next one. Bye.